Query successful. Try again without apps. Are your crypto funds actually safe on an exchange? After the collapse of several major platforms, that's a question every investor should be asking. You hear the phrase "don't trust, verify" constantly in crypto, but how do you actually verify that an exchange like Kraken holds your assets? This is where Kraken's proof of reserves comes in, a revolutionary step toward transparency and centralized finance. What is proof of reserves? Proof of reserves, or POR, is essentially an independent audit that confirms a crypto exchange holds enough assets to cover all client balances. Think of it as a snapshot of the exchange's balance sheet for its customers' crypto. It's an answer to the critical question, does the exchange have a 1:1 backing for your deposits? Kraken has been a pioneer here, committing to regular, independent audits. They don't just say they have your funds, they provide a system for you to prove it. How Kraken's POR works, the Merkle tree. The real genius of Kraken's system lies in its use of a cryptographic tool called a Merkle tree. Here's the breakdown. The snapshot, an independent, third-party auditor, like the ones Kraken uses, takes an anonymized snapshot of all client balances at a specific point in time. This is the list of liabilities, what the exchange owes its customers. The Merkle tree, all those individual balances are aggregated and cryptographically hashed into a single, verifiable digital fingerprint known as the Merkle root. This structure allows all data to be combined without revealing any individual user's balance. Proof of assets. The auditor then verifies that Kraken owns the on-chain wallet addresses and that the crypto balances in those wallets, the assets, exceed the total liabilities represented by the Merkle root. Your verification, the most powerful part. You, the client, get a private, unique Merkle proof you can use to verify that your own balance was included in that aggregated snapshot. You don't see anyone else's data, but you can confirm your own inclusion, ensuring the sum of all customer funds is accurate. This process essentially proves that Kraken's reserves are not only sufficient but also verifiably held under their control. It's a gold standard of transparency, going beyond simply showing wallet addresses by also confirming the total client liability. Why this matters? In an industry where trust can be volatile, this level of verifiable transparency is paramount. Kraken's proof of reserves is their commitment to accountability, ensuring that your funds are there when you need them, backed by cryptographic proof and an independent accounting review. It's the closest you can get to combining the security of self-custody with the convenience of a centralized exchange. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.